Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today I'm going to be diving into an in-depth review with you all. We will be taking an up-close look at these acrylic paint pens right here from a company called Tooli Art. We will go ahead and, activate these markers. We're going to test the performance and everything in between. So at any point throughout this video, should you have any questions, I highly encourage you to drop a comment below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will also leave links in the description below so you can go ahead and check these out on your end. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive straight on into this. Where I want to begin is I want to begin by showing you all the packaging up close here, as you can see. So this is going to be 36 acrylic paint pens. We have earth and skin tones here, as you see. So this is a skin tone area and this is going to be the earth area. Very straightforward there. And this is the packaging all around, and these are all the colors that we get here. Feel free to pause at any time to go ahead and thoroughly read this on your end. Go ahead and head on down to tooliart.com for more information here. And again, I'm going to leave these in the description below for you, the links there for you. So with that being said, let's go ahead and just open up the packaging here. Now, I'm familiar with Tooli's art, Tooli's paint pens, paint markers, so I expect quality from these. I'm very, very excited to check these out. These will be of quality, I'm certain of it, as I'm very familiar with Tooli Art products. If you're not, I highly recommend to check them out. So this is the product up close. Again, I've showed you all that. If you have any questions, feel free to go ahead and reach out. As you see right here, we have an assortment of beautiful different colors, vibrant different colors. I'm very excited again to check these out. And for those who have been with me, you've heard me talk about growing up using these, and having access to so many different tones for me is everything. It's gonna make all the difference within my graffiti and within the art that I do in general. It's not just gonna be for graffiti. I'm gonna be using these for all different types of art. So allow me to show you a marker here up close. So the Tooli Art acrylic paint pen gives you instructions as well. Water-based, non-toxic, opaque ink, shake, vent, push, paint, recap. Very, very straightforward. That's the thickness that we're working with. These are going to be the extra fine points, as you see. And activating these markers is very, very simple and very straightforward. Keep in mind, we just unboxed them. We haven't shooken them up or done any prepping for this video. So I'm showing you real time how easy it is to activate. So I'm going to shake this for maybe about 15 seconds or so. And I'm not going to edit this part to fast forward. This is just all going to be real time. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the top of the cap to activate it. And I don't like to do it this way because I don't want the ink to come flooding out. So I simply tilt it just a little bit and then I'll press, hold it. And as you can see, we're already in action. We're ready to go. It's there. And it's just like that. It's that simple. That's exactly how you would want to activate this one and every other paint marker here. We will cut over to a time lapse where we go ahead and we activate them all, as doing that real time would take awfully too much time. But allow me to just show you a few more up close here. So as you see, we're getting an assortment of different tones here. So let's switch over to a time-lapse mode so that way we can get all of these activated, and then I can go ahead, we can get into the performance aspect, come back, finish the video with my final opinions on this specific set right here. Okay, so we've activated all of the earth and skin colors here in this Tooli Art acrylic paint pen set. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out what we are going to paint on, how we're going to demonstrate. So from here, we're just going to switch over to the performance so that we can go ahead and get a better idea of how these specific acrylic paint pens perform. Okay, so as you can see, we are now at the top view. The canvas is done. This was definitely a fun and interesting one to do. All of the colors besides the window and the black came from the Earth and Skin color pack, the 36 acrylic paint pen pack from Tooli Art. That's where the majority of these colors are, the ones that you see right here. The black and the blue in the window came from this pack from Tooli Art as well. But as you can see though, the Earth and Skin colors here do pop. They're vibrant. They're very, very nice in my professional opinion. I'm a big fan of this specific set right here. Actually, all of the sets that I use pop, so they all would work well in unison together, I feel. There's one thing that I want to point out though before I go ahead and give my final opinions is right here, this black eye, that's a complete accident right there. That happened because there were some details under the eye in which when I was completing the canvas, I had ended up smearing it. Upon looking at it thoroughly though, I kind of thought to myself, that looks like he has a black eye. So I went ahead and I kept it just for a little bit more interest, but that is a complete accident. That's not supposed to be there. I went ahead and I kept it. All in all, I highly recommend checking out this specific paint pen pack right here, especially if you're looking for more organic Earth Skin colors. This one's definitely one to check out, as you do get a range of different colors here to work with. Should you have any questions at all, if I didn't touch base on anything specific that you may have wanted to know at any point throughout this video, please feel free to drop a comment below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias all under the same name as my YouTube channel. I have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok all under Daniel Yuck, DanielYuck. I would truly appreciate the support on there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. Everyone have a great day.